Alright guys, behind me, another 2017 C7 Z06 customer, I think it's Ashton Harps, C7 Z06, previously had an 800 horsepower package by us. I think it's been a little over a year now, and just like most of our gearheads out there, you get kind of comfortable with the extra horsepower, so you sent it back for just a little upgrade. All we did was upgrade to our 850 Flex package. So before he was running 93 octane, if I remember correctly, it was like 670, 680 rear wheel horsepower. Now with the addition of the flex fuel sensor and then the air box we added, and now it's pushing right around 740 rear wheel horsepower. And it is on straight E. As y'all can see, we did a P3 gauge as well. I just put some 93 in it, so right now we're 62%, but I like doing that for all my customers. So in case we don't have enough fuel system for certain packages and we have to tell customers to keep it, let's say, below 60% or less for wide open throttle pulls to keep it safe, at least they have a gauge to go off of and they're not just mixing fuels and hoping that they're the right content. But yeah, just from going from 93 to this, picking up a solid almost 60 or 70 rear wheel horsepower, it will definitely feel like a new car. And on these tires, definitely made a difference. So he will need Toyos when he gets it back, but I think just adding what we did is job well done.
I'm ready. Miss it. Well, there's a new clutch up in there that I was supposed to have captured. But you can imagine there's a new clutch in there. Old clutch. Old clutch.
You wish.
Will you take that motor out real quick?
Huh?
Will you take that motor out real quick?
Yeah?
I need to get that shot. I need to get that shot of
Well,
that clutch going in and the motor stuff.
I haven't been working that fast today.
You guys out there sending your cars to us for performance packages now. As always, we've offered this for a couple years now. We've been working with Greg. Just know it is something I highly recommend, especially our customers that do drag race a lot, that do road race a lot, that do put a lot of miles on their car to keep the car protected. So years down the road, the car still looks like a brand new vehicle. And even if 3 years down the road you decide to sell your vehicle and you are a road race guy, and it has, so I've owned my 06 Viper, had this done to it. The front end was beat up. The clear bar looked horrible after road racing it for probably a year and a half. I went to sell the vehicle, ripped that clear bar off, the paint looked brand new. So to me, it's a great investment on your $50,000 car or your $500,000 car. Either way you look at it, it protects the car, protects the paint, keeps the car looking good for now or 5 years from now. So I appreciate everything.
Absolutely.
And again, guys, you local guys that are in Texas, and if you're not, if you already have performance work done by us, or you don't even want performance work and you just want to protect your car, also hit us up and we'll get you squared away. Alright guys, big things coming here at Late Model Racecraft in Houston, Texas for 2023. We have a new shop, land has already been purchased, building is starting to get built, so we are expanding our company. With that being said, we are going to need more seasoned technicians, whether it comes to the GM platform, as well as expanding to other avenues, some exotics as Lamborghini, McLaren, Ferrari, and you guys out there, technicians, seasoned technicians. Again, from the GM world, which is what we're known for, to expanding to new platforms, please give us a call or email parts@latemodelracecraft.com, and please send your resumes there. Again, must have your own tools, seasoned technician. I know you guys out there that just graduated school, we get a lot of resumes for it. I'm not looking for that at the moment right now. We need seasoned technicians. Again, parts@latemodelracecraft.com. Send your resumes today. Hope to see y'all and hear from you soon. Thanks.